Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a baked chicken and some yellow rice. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make the yellow rice and some good baked chicken in the oven. Okay, so this is fried chicken. I always buy my fresh chicken at the Arabic store. They always cut my chicken very well and clean it for me. The only thing I will come and do, wash it with some lemon. If I don't have no lemon, I will wash it with vinegar and clean it with the hot water. And I'm gonna put my seasoning to it. Okay, so this is my chicken is ready clean already. And the only thing I did, and just take a knife and put some knife spot on it, so for the season to go through the chicken. So I'm gonna show you guys the season. This is my chicken season. I love this chicken season. It's very cheap. You can go to any kind of supermarket like around my place. You can find, and it's very tasty too. Very cheap. And this is my barbecue chicken. My barbecue season too. I love this season too. It's very tasty too. I love that season. And this is my salt season. And I'm gonna use my salt season and some yellow mustard. And this is the yellow rice. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own yellow rice without this boxes of yellow rice. This is Goya because it was on sale and I buy it. So next time I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own yellow rice at home. Okay, so today we're gonna do the box one. If you want to be lazy, you don't want to do all the other step, so you just skip all the other step and just buy your Goya, and you have voila yellow rice. Okay, and you need some peas. Okay, this was a frozen peas and I just wash it out, and that's it. So I'm gonna mix all my season, and I need some dry, I got my dry garlic powder and my onions powder and black pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix everything in the bowl with some cooking oil and mix them and season my chicken. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do, all the season. If you don't have those season I have, just mix the season you have home. Just mix it with some oil and a black pepper and garlic powder and some onions powder with whatever season you have home. Mix them very well and tasty. If it's very tasty, and you're gonna put on your chicken. You want to make sure when you season your chicken, chicken need to be well seasoned. Because if the chicken is not well seasoned, if you bake your chicken, it will not taste right. And you're going to be asking yourself, why my chicken don't taste right? Because you did not season your chicken well. If you season your chicken well, it will taste good. Anytime somebody try your food is well seasoned, they will be like, what do you put inside that? Trust me, because it's well seasoned. That's the key of cooking. All right, so let's start cooking. Let me season my chicken, and after we're gonna come back and show you guys voila. Okay, all right, now so it's time to cook the rice. Okay, the yellow rice. So I already open it, so it come. So it's time to cook the rice now. So this is the way it come in the pack. Ready seasoned already. We got all the goodies, like all the season. So this is the rice, the Goya rice, and this is the oil. My oil is hot, so I need to. This is the onions and the pepper, bell pepper. Okay? One onions and one bell pepper. That's what green pepper. If you have like a red pepper, you can add a red pepper, even yellow pepper. You can add like to give you that nice color to it. Because this is what I have in the house, and that's what I'm making today. Okay, so I'm gonna just fry this. And because the rice is already seasoned, and I don't want to put no season on this onions right now. So look, I put the rice inside and put the water on it, and I'm gonna taste it and see how well the rice is seasoned. If it's not well seasoned like the way I want, I'm gonna add my own extra season to it. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna fry these onions a little bit, and I'm gonna add my garlic powder to it. If you have a garlic powder, you can add a little garlic powder and a little ginger powder if you have those two, and black pepper. Okay, you can add those in this step right now, and after I'm gonna add the rice to it. Okay, like the way I was saying, just frying a little bit right now. I add the garlic powder, onions powder, and black pepper. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the rice to it. Okay, like the way I told you guys, the rice got seasoned already, so I did not, you see the season to it, so I did not add no season to it, because you don't know if it's well seasoned or not, and you're gonna over season the food. You don't want to do that. Okay, so that's the reason why I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna add the water to it now, so that's the time I'm gonna season my rice. I'm just mixing it. So I have a water next to me. So what I'm gonna do, add the water now, because the rice needs to be cooked. You need to cook your rice very good, okay? You want the rice to be nice and fluffy. So those seasonings here, you're gonna just smash them down, because you want the seasoning to be everywhere. Okay, you see that? I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add more water, because this rice need more water. So you see the level of the water, not that much. Like this, you can even make this in the rice cooker. It's more easier too. Like you can fry the onions and stuff in the pot and put in the rice cooker, and put the rice in the rice cooker and just cook it. You just make sure you add all this. You taste the water if it tastes good. Like this step right now, this is the time you need to taste it and make sure like if it tastes good. If it don't taste good like you way you want, you can add your own extra season to it now to make sure it tastes good. Okay, and I did not add no season to it. Like the way I told you guys, I was right, and I tried it and it was tasting so good. I did not even need to add no season. I was even impressed, like it tastes that good. Trust me, it tastes very good. I'm just gonna close it down because my heat is on high. I'm gonna put on 7 because it wasn't high, so I put on 7. And this is my chicken. I already seasoned my chicken, and I'm gonna put my chicken in the oven now. So I'm gonna bake my chicken, and when my rice is cooking, almost done fluffy, I'm gonna put this vegetable on top of my rice. I like a lot of vegetable. Vegetable is very good for you. Like the kid, if you don't put more vegetable on the rice like that, they will not eat it if you just cook it like that. So when I'm cooking the rice like this, I'm gonna always put like more vegetable on it. It's better for you. So I'm gonna bake my chicken, and keep watching my rice until it is nice and fluffy. When you see the rice is cooked, you can tell because it will be nice and fluffy. You can, when you put it in your mouth, you will see it's nice and done. If you take a little bit and put it in your mouth, it still have that seed on it, that means the rice is not cooked. Okay, all right now, so let me finish cooking the rice, and I'm gonna show you almost the time to put down this the vegetable. The first water I added, water was not enough, so I add some more water to it. Like the way I said, if you want to know how to cook a rice, it's very easy. You always make sure the rice is soft. When the rice is nice and soft, that means it's cooked soft and fluffy. So that time the rice is cooked. But if the rice is still like a seed on it, you can take one and just squeeze it out. If you see the seed is still there, that means it's not right. So you see, it's cooking very well. So I'm gonna close it down because the rice need all the heat. So okay, now so this is the rice now. My rice is almost done cooking. It's nice and fluffy now. I press, like I take one of now, like I do this, and take one and press it down. If you press it down like that and there's no seed, that means the rice is cooked. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, add my vegetable. Okay, but you want to make sure you don't have no extra water on your vegetable because the rice is almost cooked. Okay, I got a lot of vegetable, that's what I like it. So I'm mixing it with my vegetables. And after, I'm gonna close it down for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure my vegetables are cooked too, because they're raw too. They're raw vegetables, they're not cooked. Okay, my rice looking beautiful. You see the rice looks so beautiful. Any party you do, right, and you cook this rice and put it in the table, people will just come and eat it because it look good, and it needs to taste good too though. Okay, because the food look good and it don't taste good, trust me, nobody want to eat that. All right, okay, so we're gonna cover it till the vegetable are ready, so that time you can put in the plate, time to eat. And we're gonna look the chicken too and see. Here's my chicken. It's not ready, but it's cooking. So my rice is almost done, so my chicken is cooking. So after when the chicken is nice and ready, so we're gonna make a plate and see how my food tastes like. So that's my rice. My rice looks so pretty, so I'm gonna cover it now, and I'm gonna put because I put my fire on 5, so I'm gonna go down to 4. Okay, I just need it steam. I don't need too much heat under my rice. Okay, this is my final product, my chicken. Oh, my chicken is ready out of the oven. I cooked the chicken like around like 40 minutes, so the chicken is ready. This is my rice. Ooh. And this is the other part of the rice. I made a plate for my husband, and my chicken is ready. So I'm gonna take a piece of chicken. My chicken was a live chicken too, fresh chicken, man. Ooh, it'll be much better. See my plate? Ooh. That's for my plate for my husband. Okay, now so this is my plate. Oh, my chicken is good. My rice look good. My chicken look good. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching our cuisine. Please subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for watching my video, and I love you guys so much. Please, if you a new subscriber, or if you're a new watcher, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Bye.